I'm Ron from Coleno, the leading suite app for managing accounts receivable seamlessly integrated with NetSuite. Today I will guide you through how to create an invoice in NetSuite. An invoice is a record of sale to a customer typically used when payment for goods or services isn't received at the time of delivery. In NetSuite, creating an invoice is straightforward and I'll walk you through the process step by step. So first we will go in the menu to Transactions, Sales, Create Invoices. So on this screen, the first thing to check is the custom form to double check that that's the one that you actually want to use. Then you have the invoice number here. It is generated automatically, but you can edit it if your company's settings allow for manual changes to invoice numbers. You have obviously the customers, that's a mandatory field, so you can search in it and you can select the customer or project associated with this invoice. Please note that if you change or delete a project after a sales order is billed, the sales order becomes standalone and will no longer be linked to the invoice. You obviously also need to enter a date here on the left. So that's the date of the invoice being issued, and as well as the due date. Keep in mind that if you change the date, it will also automatically update the due date for you. You have the start date and end date. If you're using advanced billing, you can enter the creation date of the invoice in the start date field and the expiration in the end date field, which is not the case on this screen. You have the posting period. If your company uses accounting periods, you can select the appropriate one here. Please watch my videos on accounting posting periods. The due date we've seen. We also have a field for the PO number if you have a customer's purchase order number. Under sales information, we can see several options, but first don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this one. If you don't use team selling, simply select the sales rep or sales group associated with this invoice in that field. By default, the sales rep associated with the customer will be selected. If you use team selling, you can click the sales team sub-tab and choose the sales team for this transaction. You also have the opportunity. You can select an opportunity associated with this invoice. Depending on your setup, you might have different fields like exclude commission, sales effective date, lead source, partner, but also department, class, or location. Obviously, when you're here, don't forget to add all the items related to this invoice. So for example, here I will add one. I have a location field mandatory for the item, so I will enter this one. Then you can see the other ones are auto-populated. And then here I can just click on add, shipping, here calculate. I click on the small calculator, items. It should be good here. Maybe it will ask for a discount. It didn't ask. So that's how you create an invoice in NetSuite. Each invoice is a combination of line items from your items list and the sales amounts, which add up to the total amount your customer owes. Finally, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and thank you for watching.